What's up and welcome back. I am WIGSLY. Today we ride connected. It's new helmet day and I'm unboxing the Sena Momentum Evo. If you don't know what Sena is or does, they make motorcycle communication systems for inside of helmets, like this one here. This is my current motovlogging helmet, the Harley M4, something like that. It's not great, but it has a Sena unit attached here. It has two speakers which get installed inside the helmet and the wires all get tucked inside the padding. And then there's a microphone that runs up here and into the mouth area. It allows you to connect to your phone via Bluetooth for the same functions you would use on your car stereo. It also allows you to chat rider to rider. This is the Sena 30K. I own two of these on two different helmets. This is the only rider communication system that I personally have any experience with. So this is all I have to judge by, but this is, up until very recently, the newest, latest, greatest technology for helmet communication. The Sena Momentum Evo is this same exact technology built right into Sena's very own helmet. Now, I want to make sure nobody gets confused here. This is the Momentum Evo. There are several Momentum models. The Momentum Lite, the Momentum Pro, and the Momentum Ink. I believe there's also a Pro Ink. They all mean different things. They all have different versions of the technology inside of them, which allow you to pair with more or less riders. There's a technology called mesh that some of the newer units have that the older units don't have that creates a self-healing network. You're not bound by Bluetooth. If you lose a rider from the group, as soon as they get back into range, they'll be brought right back in. The Momentum Evo is the same technology as my 30K, which does have the mesh. So this is the up-to-date tech. The reason they call it the Evo is because they released all the Momentum line, and then they actually redesigned the shell itself and put the newest technology into it. So this is actually, in my opinion, unless you're looking for a helmet that has a built-in camera, because that's what the Momentum Pro does, this is the Sena helmet to get. Today we're going to unbox it and I'm going to give you my initial thoughts. There will be more videos coming up where I'm going to put more tech onto these GoPro cameras, microphones. Stay tuned. Definitely hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you want to see how to turn a Sena helmet or a helmet with communications in it into a motovlogging helmet where you can record both your voice and the voices of the people you're chatting with while you ride. I have been waiting all day. I have not been able to think about anything else. This got here this morning about 10 minutes after I left the house, and I got stuck in like 3 hours of traffic on the way home. It should have taken me like 30 minutes. I'm ready to open this. Let's get right in there. Let's go ahead and open. There's two little ears here. We'll take this top piece off. This is a really nice helmet bag. So let's pop this out of there. It's nice and thick. It's a good material. It says Sena on the front of it. It's kind of goofy that it's upside down, I guess. I'm excited. Guess you got your buttons on this side, one button on this side, charge port right there. Other than that, for the most part, standard helmet. What is the rest of in this box? Pinlock brand fog resistant lens. If you've ever ridden a motorcycle helmet without some kind of anti-fog device, it sucks. Every time you stop and breathe, you can't see anything out of your visor. This stops that. We'll go over that. All right, so the first thing I notice is that the finish on it's very nice. I'm a big fan of a matte black. The visor has two locking positions. Three technically, because when you lock it down here, that's one. Here would be your city riding, let some air in, keep your visor down, wind out of your eyes position. And here would be full up. It does click nicely into each position. I've heard people complain they don't like that it doesn't have more positions. I personally don't care. That's just me. You've got a traditional D-ring style strap. Inside the helmet, built in are two speakers that have cups on them, very similar to what you would get with studio quality headphones, and a built-in mic that's built right into the shell, so no big bulky mic rubbing against your mouth. I tell you what, with my other Senas and my other helmets, that mic rubs right against my mouth the whole time I'm riding. We've got a head vent, and we've got a chin vent. Inside the helmet comes the quick start guide, which they always give with all their products, and a traditional charge cable. What's cool about this helmet is it actually comes with a Wi-Fi sync cable. When they put out a software update, this will automatically update it rather than me having to know there's an update, go to Sena.com, plug my unit into my computer. This is going to do all that for me, so that's great. This is some kind of mystery? I don't know what this is. Fantastic. Thank you, Sena. Helmet donut. Yeah, I've been needing one of these for a while. That's great. Oh, yeah. All right, so one of the cool things about the Sena Momentum is actually that it comes with its own app. All the Sena products do. There's a Sena Utility app, a Sena 30K app, and there's a Sena Momentum app actually for this helmet, for the Momentum Evo specifically. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to ring that notification bell because my next video is going to be putting this together. And if you've ever wanted to put together a helmet so that you could record the video and the audio of your rides, I'm going to show you how. This will be my best, most in-depth helmet build video to date. And I'm telling you right now, it's the one you want to watch before you build your helmet. Also, big news. T-shirts came in! I put out my first t-shirt recently to help a good friend of mine, Joe McGee, who got in a terrible motorcycle crash. We're going to help him rebuild his bike. These shirts are $20 a piece on teespring.com. They have my logo on the front. They say, wear a fucking helmet on the back. And every penny that I make from that is going to Joe. I will put the information in the video description down below, along with the link to buy the shirt. Thanks for stopping by. As always, I am WIGSLY. Get off your fucking phone. Wear a fucking helmet.